Mini Gamer Squad, and welcome back to another video on this channel. So today,
How many titles do you have?
I've got two. So one I share with Louis, and the other one I've got my own. So welcome back to another video on this channel, if I hasn't said that already. So today I am going to be playing some random games which I find very funny. So this is the first game, the Renegade.
How do you do that? Do what?
So you click on dance menu.
Oh, click on
Let's do the whoa, whoa. Let's do the hype. Oh my days! Look at the hype. Okay, okay, guys. Standing out of my room. Steady boy. Sorry guys about that. Okay, so that was called Famous Dances for Free. And now the next game, what should we play, guys?
No, Obby, sorry, Obby.
No, let's do Growing Up. No, let's do Piggy.
Wait, no, I want to play the facility.
Okay, how'd you play that?
I don't live as well. So basically, if you're the beast,
Yeah.
then you have to get somebody, and if you're the survivor, then you have to find the computers and hack them. It's really scary.
Oh, okay.
I know that game. I know.
Yeah, I've seen it. Okay, so should we play it?
Wait for me, I want to play.
Wait, Isha, I'm gonna friend you.
Oh, somebody wait for me to
Okay, Isha. Oh, right now you're yellow, Holly. You're offline, Isha.
No, I'm not.
Now you're online.
I need to make myself ready.
Why was she blocked?
Then I can dress up as a booger.
Who's Posh Squad? Wait, why can I not friend you?
I wanna play.
Okay, guys, I can't friend Isha, so let's play Flee the Facility.
Wait. Let me contact you. Wait, guys, join me. Wait for me. I'm friending you.
Okay,
I'm adding you.
okay, that's good.
It's sending accept friend request has failed.
Why?
Look, everybody, look how beautiful I am.
It's saying,
Hello. Look how beautiful I am.
I don't know.
It,
Okay, never mind. Okay, let's play Flee the Facility.
hello, Isha.
Guys, are you already online? I'm playing Flee the... Oh, you guys are in? Okay, I'm gonna... Guys, wait for me. I'm a noob at this game, okay? No! Wait for me! Oh, no. No, your game's full.
I'm a survivor. I'm the beast. Okay, just at me.
Oh, no, I'm sad.
I think I know.
Fine, I'll just play a different game. How about let's play... I'm going to play some funny games. So, no, I'm actually going to play...
The video.
Yeah, I'm not making a YouTube video. Yeah,
Recording.
yeah. Guys, I'm going to play my obby that I made. Okay,
You made your day.
I made an obby, yeah.
I have like to start again, but then I tried to build it and then I get
Where's my other game?
what happened?
Oh, here. Guys, I'm going to play it. Guys, do you want to play? I made an obby, guys. Why is it an available server? Okay, I'm joining my server. It's an obby, guys. Okay. Yeah.
Wait.
Because I couldn't be bothered to complete it, so I just made an obby. Yeah. I can...
Wait, it's Norris Nuts quiz game.
Oh, yeah.
This is how beautiful I am, guys. This is why you subscribe to her because you get to see me.
Guys, do you like my obby, Holly? I'm going to make you teleport to me.
It's the new Can you give me admin?
No, sorry.
Why?
Is everyone enjoying my obby?
Aria, I did you.
Did you? Okay, guys. I'm going to have to friend Isha.
You didn't have to say
Guys, I'm coming back in a second. Yeah, I'm going to follow Isha. Friend request, and let's follow you.
Can you friend me?
I just friended you.
No, you followed me. Zoom in on your camera. Zoom in.
Zoo, zoo, zoo. Where's Isha? Has Isha died yet?
No.
That's good.
Look at me, Ariadne.
Uh,
I died. I look amazing.
It's really hard actually on the last couple of stages.
Yes, because no sense. Like, at all. There's a person jump up.
Yes, you can.
I can't. Because I'm fat. I can't either.
That's what makes it really hard. The jump boost thing.
I was afraid.
No, you never.
What?
That's so weird.
What?
It's not like...
Examine my avatar.
No! Wait, it says we're friends, but it comes up as Brave Kitten Isha 4 with a little tick, so that basically means friends. And it says that about Holly, so we are friends, but I don't know why it's not saying it. So, okay, guys. Oh no.
I won.
Yeah, Isha, you win a candy cannon and adopt me. I'm not lying. No, the person. Yeah. And
I can't build.
and you.
No, we have to build for Ariadne, so we're using her money.
No, I don't have enough money. You guys have to. Then I need someone to donate me because I don't have that much money. Can you donate me like 1,000? Isha, how much money do you have? Oh, yeah. I said 5 minutes, I'll be. Hasn't. Okay, guys, I'm on the Bloxburg. Holly, come. Guys, I'll see you once the houses are built. Guys, so that is it for today. We love you all. See you soon.